Feel stronger, more balanced, and energized in just a few minutes a day. Let's move those legs together, seniors. Hello friends, welcome back to our Senior Fitness series. Today is day 40 of our 60-day journey. If you're new here, make sure to join us every day to stay strong and active. Let's get started. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats. Let us begin with our first exercise for today, sit to stand, also called chair squats. First, place a sturdy chair on a flat surface. Sit down comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart and cross your arms in front of your chest. Make sure your back is straight and your core is engaged. Breathe in as you sit and breathe out as you stand. Now we are going to perform 50 repetitions together, counting each one. Get ready, friends, and remember, we are in this together. 1. Stand up slowly. 2. Sit down gently. 3. Keep your back straight. 4. Breathe in. 5. Out. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Well done. How is everyone feeling so far? Are you keeping up? Share in the comments which country you are joining from today. I would love to see it. Exercise 2, heel raises, standing calf lifts. Now let us move to our second exercise for today, heel raises, also known as standing calf lifts. First, stand behind a sturdy chair and place your hands lightly on the back of the chair for support. Keep your feet hip-width apart, back straight, and core engaged. We are going to lift our heels slowly off the floor, rise onto our toes, hold for a moment, and lower gently. Make sure all movements are slow and controlled, focusing on strengthening your calves. Let us begin 50 repetitions together. Ready? Here we go. 1. Lift slowly. 2. Lower gently. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Amazing work. Keep pushing. You are doing truly amazing. Remember to share this video with a senior friend who can benefit so they can exercise with you. How are your legs feeling now? Let me know in the comments. Exercise is great, but exercise alone is not enough to truly improve your health. That's why I highly recommend Nagano Tonic, a unique blend of natural nutrients that boosts your metabolism, melts stubborn fat, increases energy, and helps you feel younger from the inside out. Many seniors see results faster when combining their daily exercises with this tonic. Without it, your progress may stay slow and limited. Check the link in the description to get yours before the offer ends. Exercise 3, Seated Leg Extensions. Now we will move to our third exercise for today. Seated leg extensions. Sit comfortably on a sturdy chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Keep your core engaged and prepare to strengthen your thighs. We will extend one leg at a time, holding it straight in front of you and then lowering it slowly. Focus on slow, controlled movements and remember to breathe naturally. Let us begin with the right leg, counting together all 50 repetitions. Ready? Here we go. 1, lift slowly. 2, lower. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent. Now let us switch to the left leg and repeat all 50 repetitions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Great work! How is your energy now? Comment below how many reps you completed and how your legs feel. You are doing amazing.